Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shree Dembla and here I talk to you about everything that helps you to have a high vibe life. And today I have a very special gift for you. Guess what? I am going to be doing yet another unboxing video for you. So what is the Angel Oracle card deck or the Oracle card deck that I have for you? Any guesses? Let me show you. This one actually surprised me when it come in the courier and I was not expecting like the cute little Chotu card deck. Yeah, so this really pulled me and this one says the Pocket Animal Spirit. I wasn't expecting this Chotu one, so I'm gonna open this up and see what does this one has for me. And there we go. The symbolism coming again. The wild unknown animal spirits you will find within 63 full color tarot cards, okay, illustrated, and 208 page guidebook. Let's see. This is what matters. So cute. Look at this tiny little, this is not like this, is so small. Look at this. So that's like a little pocket book for you to read about all the power animals, all the spirit animals. Whoa. All right. And now, kitna maze se iska ribbon khul gaya. I really like it. Now, let's get started with the energy of these cards. Oh God, they are so cute actually. So the first card says the beer, okay? Look at it here. Yeah. And thing is that these cards are actually very simple. They don't have a very descriptive background. They don't have any write-up. So it's like you just connect with the card and find it for yourself. What I'm actually intrigued, it has a story. It says, long, long ago. I'm not going to read it for you. Of course, I want you to buy it. We are allowed to do this in this reality, but I've definitely seen a lot of unboxing videos myself. My intention for doing the unboxing videos always are to help my audience find the right card deck for themselves, you know, because I have been through that trouble because I am pulled to almost every card deck. And then I was like, I wish someone would do it for me. So this is the symbol of the earth, of course. Okay, this triangle with a little cut, downward triangle with a little cut is the earth symbol, and then the downward triangle is the water symbol. And then we have the fire, upward triangle, and the upward triangle with a cut is the air symbol. Literally like a mini course on the Angel Oracle card decks, and especially this one, the Spirit Animal one. A card a day, past, present, future. So it's telling you literally how to do the reading, the path, the relationship spread, and some of the spreads are also given here. Okay, deeper insights of all of these. Nice. I like it already. So cute. So that was the beer card. Now is the earthworm. It's so cute. Of course, the earthworm has the earth element. The rat or the mouse, the earth element again. The rabbit, the earth element again. The raccoon. Nice. The earth element again. Fox. It's a beautiful way of showing it. Snake has the, wow. It's so beautiful. The seed of life inside. The buffalo. Okay. The lamb. Elk. And the deer. And we have the wolf. And then we have the spider. The horse. I really like the crescent moon on the third eye of the horse. And then we have the crocodile, the water element crocodile. Okay. So it's more like a sketchy image with little colors, but all the 7 colors. The stingray. Aha. There are very few people who take stingray as a power animal in the card deck. Yeah. The fish. Starfish. Octopus. I like octopus. Beaver. Okay. Then we have the oyster, the turtle, the frog, the otter. Yeah, I wish I'm not cutting them as I'm showing them. The shark, the swan, the dolphin, the whale. Okay, and now we have the fire element, the fire ant, the hyena, scorpion, lizard, these little dragon kind of a species that used to have fire coming out of them. And also in tarot, you know, the those wands, which is the element of fire, has salamander in the clothes of the king, the queen, and the page. So yeah, some element of fire is connected with the lizard for sure. Then is the panther. Okay, the spider. This is not actually the spider, it's tarantula, which is a little different from the spider, but it is the same species. Okay, camel. Okay, and then we have the gazelle, the cheetah, fire, like it runs like a fire. The tiger, the cat family, is it all fire? And then we have the cobra. Okay, the zebra. So, the lion. And even the elephant, it says elephant as the moth. Now moth is the air. I was wondering, how come moth be the fire? No, the moth is the air. And then is the butterfly, the bat, the firefly, the bee, of course, the hummingbird, yeah, the vulture, the crow, owl. Owl is one of my favorites. Dragonfly, nightingale, peacock, my favorite, of course, the hawk, the eagle. Oh wow, this is beautiful, you know, the spirit, the way they have shown it. Phoenix, the sea serpent. Okay, the dragon, the golden egg, the black egg, the unicorn, and the cosmic egg. Wow. I think more than anything, I find this card deck very cute. It would be a very different energy if they would be the normal oracle card deck size with a little write-up and like. However, I think this is what makes it unique, because it says the pocket animal thing, and the box is like very jazzy. It's a metal box, and I like the way they've used the symbolism of all the elements. And of course, you know, like, you know, when I connect with the spirit animals, I know that there are these 5 elements that, you know, they are from. Each of them have the energy of a specific element. I personally believe that there are some of the spirit side of the animals that are still missing in this deck. You know, there can be more cards. You know, personally, if I tell you I'm missing the Sphinx in this, I'm missing the mermaid in this and all that, so that could have been added. And other than that, I think a great job done Also, because this deck has this guidebook, so more than the cards, if somebody is really feeling like connecting with the spirit animals, they can just carry this along, and if they see a specific animal or they want to connect with a specific animal, they can just pick it up and go like, okay, zebra, so zebra is talking about creative visionary, and then just read through it. And it talks about when it is in balance and when it is out of balance, that particular energy, what does it do? That's a nice way of putting this, actually. So overall, I think I would give this card deck a kind of, I don't know, maybe 8 on 10. Personally working on creating my own decks, and I know there's a lot of work that goes at the background, a lot of study, a lot of research, a lot of meditations, a lot of connecting with the guides and connecting with the card itself. I like the uniqueness of this being the tiniest card deck I have ever come across, and also this being the only card deck I've ever come across with a metal box, not like other cards. And these cards are small, so I think it makes sense to have a metal box with it. So nice. I love the energy of it. I am glad I have it in my, so I like the energy of it. Do let me know what is your perspective on it. Do let me know what are your views about this deck, and also do let me know if you want me to continue doing these unboxing video. Which card deck would you like me to do the unboxing video of? And now when I'm saying it, it is actually coming to me that a lot of my students have been asking me to do the unboxing video for the Self-ish card deck, like my own card deck. I haven't done it yet. Really funny. And the reason I haven't done it yet is because I've been lazy. I haven't put it on Amazon yet. So I'm going to first put it on Amazon, and then I'm going to do the unboxing video so that it's available. I don't want to put myself in another situation where people are asking for something and I'm not ready for it. Okay, so yet it's coming very soon, I promise. And with that, I'm gonna say bye to you. Do let me know if there is any other card deck you would like me to do the unboxing video of. And if you liked this video, if you like my work, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos from me. And don't forget to share this with your friends and family. I'm gonna see you very, very soon with yet another video on raising your vibration to a high vibe life. See you soon. Bye.